anytime you see me on this, you should know I'm about reviewing a product, right? Let's just dive into the video. I was having like severe acne problem for years. Yes, like the acne comes and go, but the dark spots were always on my face. It doesn't go, like sheet won't move. It wasn't moving. I've tried different kind of products, I've done a lot of things, I've spent money. I could not believe this small thing, 7,000 naira, could change my life. And this particular tretinoin I'm using is 0.1. This is tretinoin gel, not the cream. And this is the one I've been using since January. How did I start using it? I started real slow. I started using it like once a week. I used it once a week for like 3 weeks. Then I switched to using it twice a week for like a month plus. Then I switched to using it every other day. Now, like since last month, I've been using it every day. How I use it is I use my gentle face cleanser. I use ceramide gentle face cleanser. Just wash my face, then allow it to dry completely. You don't want to apply it on wet or damp skin. Allow your face to dry completely. Then I take a pea size of it and rub it all over my face. That is it. I don't even add moisturizer. I don't do anything, just this alone. When I started using it, I think like the third day my face started peeling, and peeling is part of the process of healing your acne. It wasn't really like severe peeling, but it was actually peeling. Even till date, it still peels. Like I think 3 days ago my face still peeled, but it's not that serious peeling you see on your face. I stopped developing new acne. The only thing was just the dark spots, and the dark spot, as you can see, it's clearing off. Then I recently got rose toner. So in the morning I use the rose toner on my face only, and sunscreen. You want to be big on sunscreen. Hey, once you are using tretinoin, please use sunscreen and avoid sun. I actually stopped going to places in the daytime. I rescheduled most of my things to the evening. The next thing I have started doing with it right now is rubbing it under my eyes. I wasn't rubbing it under my eyes. I was avoiding my under eyes, my nose region. I still avoid this part because it's very sensitive. After applying this under my eyes, the next thing I do is to add my face moisturizer. That's the CeraVe. I take a little of it and just dab it around the eye. So I'm free from buying eye cream because this does it perfectly well. If you have tretinoin, you can use it as your eye cream. Mix it with this or whatever face moisturizer you have. You can mix it with it and just rub it under your eyes. And guys, it does like way work than eye cream. Though my face is not where I want it to be, but it is far from where it used to be. Like I have a posting images, just see this one. This was how bad my face was. Very bad. Like the acne scars even extend to my neck. Like it was so bad. Tretinoin is what it's what, in fact, it's not even being hyped. You hardly hear somebody tell you about tretinoin, but you hear people telling you about salicylic acid, lactic acid, mandelic. This is the real deal, trust me. It's so affordable, very affordable, and it lasts long because I've been using this since January, so it actually lasts long. You just need a pea size. A little can go a long way. So if you're planning or trying to use tretinoin, please go for recommendation. Please see your dermatologist to prescribe for you, because it can go south. Trust me. Just because it's going well for me doesn't mean it will go south for another person. So please get a proper recommendation before using tretinoin. So when I get to where I want to be, I'll still make another video and tell you guys. I'm halting here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Drop your questions in the comment section.